Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. You join us today in Banff, preparing for the next leg of our Canadian Rocky Mountains tour. It's been raining now for 2 days and the weather forecast for today doesn't look good. A quick look out of the window confirms we're going to need our waterproofs again. Today we plan to do some sightseeing. First we'll ride to the 13-mile long Lake Minnewanka, known by First Nation people as Lake of the Spirits. Lake Minnewanka is an important archaeological site. Historical artefacts found on the shores of the lake date back 13,000 years. It's also a very scenic lake and very popular with tourists all year round. From there, we'll ride the Bow Valley Parkway to Lake Louise, a beautiful glacial lake surrounded by snow-covered mountains. Lake Louise is the most photographed site in Canada and receives around 3.6 million visitors every year. Even with today's rain, it's likely to be very busy. So our plans today, because of the rain, is to ride out to Lake Minnewanka, snigger,
Don't laugh.
and then hopefully grab a coffee there. We'll ride around the scenic ride around the lake and then head out to Lake Louise, and hopefully we'll be able to see some of Lake Louise. If not, we'll
To the digs.
We'll go back to our hotel and regroup and see what's happening.
I mean, it's not a massive ride today. It's only about 61 miles, but it's going to be 61 miles, very wet roads. So
yeah,
thankfully, it'll be bearable.
It depends which weather forecast you look at. Some people are saying it's going to be sleet, and others are saying it's just going to be rain. So we'll just play it by ear, see how it goes. Yeah. Right, we'll see you. We packed the bikes and prepared to leave the hotel. We decided that it was best not to use the medium mod microphones again, as the rain was already getting quite heavy. With everything packed, we made for the exit, only to find, just like in Vancouver, the door wouldn't open. Thankfully, a couple of stamps on the sensor got it working. That's got it. Give it a good kick. You right? This might be a challenging So here we are at Lake Minnewanka. It's raining, but we'll have a walk down by the lake and try and get some coffee and stuff. However, in other news, Jasper today...
It snowed last night. The place is absolutely covered in snow, a complete whiteout. So we're gonna, when we get to our next stop, which is Lake Louise later today, hotel, we're gonna review the situation, we may not be able to go onward to Jasper.
Yeah, well, we'll see when we
Tomorrow.
get there. So we'll just have to play it by ear. We can't ride in the snow.
No.
So let's enjoy whatever we've got left of today in the rain. Fed and watered, we left Lake Minnewanka and headed back to Banff for fuel. We rejoined the Trans-Canada Highway for a short stretch to our turn-off for the Bow Valley Parkway, a scenic road which follows the Bow River to Lake Louise. We took the exit for the Bow Valley Parkway only to find the road closed. No signs, just a barrier across the road. We found out later that Parks Canada occasionally close the road for environmental reasons. This wouldn't be the last time this happened to us, turning up at a road to a scenic area only to find barriers barring entry. It became quite frustrating. We were left with no other choice but to rejoin the highway for the 60 kilometres to Lake Louise. After 40 minutes or so, we were finally able to see mountains in the distance, and the heavy rain slowed to a drizzle. Lake Louise is extremely busy in the summer, and it's not unusual for the car park to be full at 7 a.m. Because of this overcrowding, Parks Canada actively discourage visitors from using personal vehicles. Parking costs $21 per vehicle, so it's certainly more cost effective to visit in a car with passengers than solo on a motorcycle. Lake Louise is popular because it's beautiful, and we didn't mind in the slightest having to pay to park our bikes. A short walk down from the car park and we were at the lakeside. Even with all of the rain over the past few days, it was very busy. We decided to take the 2-kilometre walk to the head of the lake. Alan!
That's Ian having his condom moment.
You've got very good health insurance. If you've enjoyed this video, do please leave a like or comment and consider subscribing to our channel for more. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.